Radhe Radhe to all my students. Now we will start exercise number 3.3. Today is day 20. First question of exercise number 3.3 is given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. हमें एक चतुर्भुज दिया हुआ समांतर चतुर्भुज दिया हुआ है. इसमें हमें प्रॉपर्टीज़ को यूज़ करते हुए 4 क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. फर्स्ट इज AD इक्वल्स टू. AD किसके बराबर है? वी नो दैट we know parallelogram first property is opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal and diagonal bisect one another. So opposite sides are equal, that means AD equals to BC. So here AD किसके बराबर होगा? BC के. So for a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Reason क्या है? This one. Now we come question number second. Angle DCB. Angle DCB किसके इक्वल होगा? DCB is equals to this. DCB is this. DCB के इक्वल कौन सा होगा? This one. DAB. क्योंकि एंगल A एंड एंगल C क्या हैं? दोनों इक्वल हैं, इसलिए DAB इक्वल्स टू DCB. सो हियर यू कैन सी एंगल DAB फॉर ए पैरेललोग्राम अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. रीजन इज दिस. नाउ OC is equals to OA. Simple, because it is a diagonal of this ABCD. Asking about half diagonal, OC is equals to OB क्या होगा? So diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Now fourth is angle DAB. DAB and CDA. This one. These are, we know, these are adjacent angle. इनका सम कितना होता है? 180. If this one is 90 and this should be 90. If this is 60 then it will 120. इनका सम कितना होता है एडजेसेंट एंगल का? 180. So he is asking how much the sum of adjacent angle. It's a sum of two adjacent angle is 180. Now we come on question number second. Consider the following parallelogram. Find the values of unknown angle XYZ. Here are some structure. We have to find angle XYZ values. We can see here angle B is given, that is 100. If it is 100, you can say, if you understood all the properties of parallelogram, if it is 100, then how much it's also 100. If it's 100, then how much this? 80. This 80, so this is also 80. Question solved. So x plus 100, we can see this x plus 100, that adjacent है ना ये. x plus 100 कितना होता है? 180. So x is, we get 180 minus 100, 80. Now x plus y, this value x plus y is also 80, 180. तो x 100 है तो y कितना हो जाएगा? y is also 80 और 100. और y plus z कितना हो जाएगा? 180. तो 180, तो 100 plus z equals to 180 minus 100, we get 80. Now we come on question number third. This structure is given in your exercise number 3.3. We have to find x, y, z, and here is also cone angle 1. Angle 1 is also given. You can see AB is parallel to CD. and AD is parallel to BC. So adjacent angles of parallelogram have some 180, we know that. So if it is 50, then how much x? If we talk about this adjacent angle, if it is 50, then how much x? 180 minus 50, we get 130. So if we get x value is 130, then how much is y value? Y value, because these are opposite angles. Opposite angles, x and y are opposite angles. Opposite है ना? So ये 130 आया तो ये भी कितना आएगा? 130 आएगा. Simple. So now we talk about ये 50 आ गया. This angle 1. अब 1 जब D 50 है तो how much 1? It should be 50, but we find angle 1 plus y angle, because these are adjacent, 1 and y equals to 180. So we get 1 y is 130. So angle 1 is 50. Without this calculation we can also find because D is 15, also should be 50. So now left one angle is left, that is Z. If 1 is 50, then how much Z? 180 minus 50. So we get 130. 130. Okay. So x 130, y 130, z 130, angle 1 is 50. Now we come on question number 3rd. This is also a quadrilateral structure without name, so I write name PQRS. बीच में 0 है, सिर्फ x जो है यहाँ पे आपको राइट एंगल दिया हुआ है, मीन्स ये सिंबल दिया हुआ है अपने को, तो ये सिंबल 90 है तो ये भी 90 होगा, ये भी 90 होगा, ये भी 90 होगा, ऑल आर 90 90 90. So if we get this 90 and this is 30, 90 plus 30 120, 120 plus y 180, so we get y's value 60. So we get 60 value is y's value is 60. So z value is also 60, because alternate angle of transversal of parallel line are equal. So x is 90, y is 60, and z is 60. Now we come on question number 3rd. I hope you can do 4 and 5th of question number 2nd. It's your homework. So now we start question number 3rd. Can a quadrilateral ABC be a parallelogram if angle D and B's value sum, मतलब D और B का सम कितना दिया हुआ है? 180. It means angle D plus angle B is 180. Does not necessary that quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. It means कि ये हो सकता है, but ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. It's not necessary कि ये 180 हो, परंतु आवश्यक नहीं है. Now we come on question number 2nd. AB equals to DC. AB equals to DC 88 centimeter, AD 4 and BC 4.4 है. तो ये पूछ रहा है कि ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल है क्या? So AD and BC opposite sides are unequal है. ये तो 4 है और ये 4.4 है. So this is not a parallelogram. It should be equal. And BC and AB and DC तो पैरेलल है ही नहीं, तो पैरेलल तो AD और BC हैं, तो it should be equal. So this is not a parallelogram. Now we come on third question. Angle A is 70 and C is C is 65. So we know opposite angle should be equal. It is 70 to 65. It's not a parallelogram. So we like this. ABCD is not parallel, for the opposite angle must be equal. Now we come on question number 5. The measures of the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, उसकी जो आर्म्स हैं वो 3:2 में होनी चाहिए. तो इफ़ दिस इज़ 3 एंड दिस इज़ 2, तो ये 3 होगा तो ये भी 3x होगा, ये 2x होगा तो ये भी 2x. So A is 3x, B is 2x. So sum of 3x plus 2x is 180 because these are adjacent angles. We get 5x equals to 180, x equals to 180 by 5, we get 36. So A's value is 3 into 36, 108. B's value is 2 into 36, 72. A is equals to angle A के अपोजिट में C है तो ये भी 108 होगा. B के अपोजिट में D है तो ये भी 72 होगा. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.